Hey guys, boy, is that too low. It always zooms in when it's ready to record. There we go. Better. Welcome back to the shop, guys. Like I said in the last video, it's been very cold out here, so I haven't been able to get out to do much of anything. So for this Friday, I was struggling to find something to release, share, do whatever. And then I realized, wait a minute, I'm really late. Normally, before Thanksgiving, I do my traditional sign-off for the year slideshow. And it's really interesting looking at these pictures. So, it seems like every 3 weeks I've been into something completely new. So if you're a regular, you'll know what the pictures are about. If you're not a regular, some of them you won't have a clue. So, thanks to everybody, all the subscribers, all the comments. I can't believe some people spend the time to leave an incredibly long comment. Education to me, it's fantastic. So I hope everybody has a fantastic holiday and a happy new year, very good new year. So I'll see you next year, guys.